Hi friends, once again I am here to talk about a new application from the chapter Pythagoras theorem, and that is 45 45 90 triangle theorem. In my previous video I had prepared a video for 30 60 90 triangle theorem. I hope you must have enjoyed it. If you have not seen that video, please watch it. It was an earlier upload. Now let's continue with this. Let's have a look at the statement of the theorem. If the acute angles of a right angle triangle are 45 degree and 45 degree, then each of the perpendicular side is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. Again, we have a right angle triangle where the two acute angles are 45 degree, 45 degree. Now what it states, let us write it down first. We know AC is our hypotenuse, sir, Q, because it is side opposite to 90 degree. So here, if in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and angle A, which is equals to angle C, is equals to 45 degree, then you get something. What do you get? Each of the perpendicular sides. Now which are the perpendicular sides here you have? You have AB and BC. So the length of both the sides are nothing else but 1 upon root 2 times the length of the hypotenuse. So it is 1 upon root 2 into AC. I hope you understood it, the statement. Now let's apply in one sum. I have taken one sum randomly. Find AB and BC with help of the information given in the figure. Now see, I have a right angle triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. Let's start with the sum. Now what is given to us? They have given to us AB is equals to BC. Reason is given. Now in triangle, if the two sides are equal, what can we say about their base angles? Their base angles are also equal. So we get angle BAC will be congruent to angle BCA. Why? Isosceles triangle theorem. Now for the understanding and to get the values of the angle, what we'll do? Let us consider the measure of both the equal angles as x. Now we know angle sum property of a triangle say the sum of all the three angles has to be equals to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now A is x, so x plus 90 is equals to 180. Now that will become 2x is equals to 180 minus 90. So 2x is equals to 90. So x is equals to 45. If I say x is equals to 45, that means angle A is 45 degree, angle C is also 45 degree. In other words, angle BAC, which will be equals to angle BAC, will become 45 degree. Now see, one angle is 90, the other two angles we got it as 45 degree. So therefore, triangle ABC is 45, 45, 90 triangle. Now we can easily get the length of AB and BC. So kaise? Since it is a 45 45 90 triangle, the length of the perpendicular side is what? It is 1 upon root 2 times the hypotenuse. Now here AB and BC, they are the perpendicular sides. So by 45 45 90 triangle theorem, I can say AB is equals to BC is equals to 1 upon root 2 times the length of hypotenuse. Now in this figure, AC is your hypotenuse. So it is 1 upon root 2 into AC. Now what is the AC value given to us? It is root 8. Now right now we cannot simplify it. So we need to go to the concept of rational numbers which you have studied in your previous standard. Now root 8, square root of 8. Do we have any perfect square in a factors of 8? Yes, it is 4 twos are. So square root of 8 becomes 2 root 2. So it is 1 upon root 2 into 2 root 2. Where root 2 gets cancelled. So we get it as 2 units. So in other words, the length of AB is equals to BC is 2 units. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Also, you must have understood the concept. Please share it with your friends.